Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have any of the following three vehicles guys, Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 guys, or Dodge Promaster City with the 2.4 Multiair engine, also this engine is known as Tigershark Engine guys, stay with us, we'll explain guys what needs to be done to remove and replace your Serpentine belt tensioner and the idle pulley as well. Now I would recommend to do that every time you replace your Serpentine belt, or if you have a bad pulley, replace the belt as well. We will guys have all the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. In addition guys, as you can see, that engine is out of the car. You do not need to remove the engine for that repair. The only reason why we have that engine out is because we'll be making guys more than 100 videos on that engine alone. We want to show you with a great detail how to do things and be able to video everything with the camera and show you every single bolt where it's located. So quite a bit of work will go into that guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Let's start on it now. So guys, 16mm socket now. Okay, this is your tensioner pulley here, this is idle pulley. We'll need to go ahead and get the tensioner pulley turn counterclockwise. Okay, and then most of the times you try to pull the belt from the alternator, it doesn't work that way. You have to remove it from the idle pulley, okay, like that, and the belt comes off of the vehicle. You can see just like that guys. So now the idle pulley guys is super easy to remove. There is one bolt only, but if you want to replace the whole tensioner assembly, and I would recommend the whole assembly guys, you have one bolt on the bottom, one that's hidden behind the alternator. That bolt that's hidden, you can reach it through here, okay, on cold engine with extension and remove it guys, but it's not as easy. So what we'll do guys, okay, it's doable and you can do it guys, but we'll go ahead and remove the alternator so we can show you exactly where that bolt is, because otherwise it's impossible for me to stick the camera in there. So we're going to get guys 13mm, and we're going to go ahead and remove that bolt now for the idle pulley. Perfect. Now, one more bolt for the tensioner pulley right there. Okay, this one is out as well. So this is guys your alternator now. Okay, let me explain what needs to be done now here. Okay, that cap right here, you squish on both sides, you pull it out. Underneath it is a 13mm nut. This is a very important wire guys, that's why we needed to disconnect our car battery, because this is the battery 12 volt supply wire. This is the one that charges your battery, and if you touch it anywhere with the battery connected, it will be bad guys. There is one more wire. Okay, let me explain this one now. Okay, that red thing, okay, I cannot see it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, that red thing, perfect. Now we need to move it towards the back. Okay, you can see the red thing towards the back, and we need to press in and pull that wire out. Okay, let me do that. Perfect. Okay, this is the connector right here. So that red thing needs to be moved to the back, then you squish right here and you pull it out. Now we just have 3 bolts that we need to remove. Okay, those are very easy bolts. One, 2, and 3 on top. And the alternator guys is out of there, as you can see, just like that. So we remove the alternator now guys. We can show you where that bolt is. Okay, you can see on the back side right here again with the 13mm socket. So that's what we'll be doing next. We'll remove that bolt. So 13mm socket now, and we're going to go ahead and remove that bolt in the back right there guys. Okay, I don't think it will go by hand. It starts going and then it stops. But you can see we're almost ready with that one as well. Okay, it got loose now, so probably we'll go by hand towards the end, and then it gets stuck again a little bit. Okay guys, right there you can see tensioner came out as well. So you can see now guys, okay, this is right here the tensioner pulley and the idle pulley as well. That's how you remove it. If you just need to remove guys the pulley on the tensioner itself, you don't need to do all that work. All you have to do, remove that bolt, but this bolt is reverse threaded. You go clockwise to take it off. So you can do that, but I would recommend guys, if the pulley is bad, probably tensioner spring is soft by now, and you want to avoid that happening because your belt may start slipping, okay, and lose your belt, battery not charging, quite a few things guys. And this is the idle pulley. You can see this one has a bearing as well. We have a video on the channel guys that explains how to service those, how to clean them, all that stuff. Really guys, really good information. That way you can keep your pulleys going a long time, and if it's a noisy pulley guys, you can definitely fix it that way. If you need to buy new ones, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for more videos, and see you guys next time.